Okay, here's another one we did in class. If 0, this is number 22, if 0 is less than k is less than pi, okay, so my range is from 0 to pi for k, my integral from 0 to k of cosine 2x dx equals 1/2 when k equals what? Okay, so my question is, what does k equal if my integral from 0 to k is cosine is equal to 1/2? So I have to find my integral. Well, I have to do u substitution. U equals 2x, du equals 2 dx. Well, I don't have a 2 here, I just have dx, so I put a 2, and then I have to multiply by 1/2 on the outside. This becomes 1/2 the integral from 0 to k of cosine u du. Well, that's 1/2. The integral of cosine is just sine. So this is sine of u from 0 to k. Now you may be inclined to just plug in k right now, but you actually have to plug in 2x. Remember, u is 2x. So this equals 1/2 sine of 2x from 0 to k. And remember, the integral of this has to equal 1/2. Okay, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm solving for. This integral equals 1/2. What does k equal when this integral equals 1/2? So the result of taking that integral is this. From 0 to k, and that has to equal 1/2. Well, I can make my life easier by just multiplying by 2 on both sides, and that wipes that out and that out. And then I'm just evaluating sine of 2x from 0 to k, so I get sine of 2k minus sine of 2 times 0 is just 0 equals 1. Okay? Well, we know that sine of 0 is 0, right? Unit circle. Sine of 0 is 0. Okay, so that cancels out. So I end up with sine of 2k equals 1. Now, I think about at what value of theta, if this is theta in there, what value of theta makes my sine equal to 1? Well, where's my sine equal to 1? Right here. Well, what is that? Pi over 2. So sine of pi over 2 equals 1, so 2k has to equal pi over 2. Divide both sides by 2, and I get k equals pi over 4 is my answer, and that one happens to be B. Alright, hope you got it. See you in the next video.